What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Eric from Chaves Auto Detailing.
Andy from Chaves Auto Detailing.
And today we got something pretty special. We got this 2011 Chevrolet Camaro SS, but with something pretty cool under the hood. You ready for this? Little sneak peek. Can't even open this. Still struggling to open this. I just had it open. It's got a Whipple supercharger on it. What else does it have done to it? I believe it's got a small cam. Looks like it's got a K&N intake. For some reason, it looks like factory headers with the cat. Gotta have cats on. Ask me how I know that. Got some big beefy wheels and tires on there. Spiked lugs. Big wing, you know, keep it down, keep it planted. This is a good customer of ours, Josh. I appreciate you bringing another vehicle in. We ceramic coated his truck. We polished and ceramic coated his truck last year or 2 years ago. I don't even remember when. And he just picked up this hot rod. So if you look up close, the paint's kind of grimy, pretty dirty. It looks like it's been sitting for a bit. We got to clean up under the hood. We got to give this a spruce up. Inside's not too bad. Oh, it's got a Hearst shifter, it looks like. Don't know if that's, I'm assuming that's factory. Inside not too bad. Not very dirty. There is some weird stuff I saw back here. I don't know if that's gonna come out or not. It looks like the leather got wrecked there. So this is gonna be here for the day. He'll pick it up tomorrow. We're gonna take that out, clean it. I got some special K&N filter cleaner for that. We're gonna spruce up under the hood. This is pretty dusty. It's definitely been sitting for a while. And what's this? We got to clean that, make sure it's nice and clear so you can see the Whipple. What's your thoughts on this hot rod, Andy?
Reminds me of the Incredible Hulk, and I'm sure it flies like the Green Hornet. No, I like it. I do like it.
It's pretty wild. Really, really bright.
First, we're gonna take the intake out, the filter. We're gonna clean this with our K&N filter cleaner. We're gonna plug that hole up.
Yeah, look at that. Grimy. Losing horsepower. Nice and clean. We just got to shine the plastics up. It's still kind of drying. We got to clean the filter, put that back. Should probably take these out before I forget. Now we got to address these wheels. They're pretty rough. They're dirty. So we got to give these a good scrubbing. Just saw me scrub that wheel down. Pretty dirty. I have a funny feeling this wheels are they're faded, so it's probably gonna dry like a very faded black. It's gonna look white. Excuse me, that's his birthday. Oh boy. It's gonna look white when it dries, I think. maybe that means Josh should pick up a set of different wheels for this thing. Overall, it is cleaner, but I don't think they're gonna dry nice. So we're gonna do a little trick later, I think, to spruce them up. Over the years, without this being cleaned properly, and probably the wrong chemicals on it, I believe it damaged the finish. You can already see that it's drawing like a kind of white. It's clean. We didn't miss anything. It's just the way the wheel is. All right, so I'm gonna do the next 3 and then we're gonna get to the paint. So the wheels are done. Those were a pain. They were pretty filthy. I'm probably gonna have to touch them up again when I move the car forward. Just gave it a heavy rinse. There was a lot of debris stuck in all the cracks. So now, next step, we're gonna foam it up. I'm gonna go with my detail brush and go through all the nooks and crannies to agitate any stuff that's stuck in there. And then we're gonna wash it with our mitt, and then on to the next stage. This color is gonna look pretty sweet all shined up. I think I'm gonna put the Jade 1-year coating on here. We've been testing that from Bloomco for the last little bit. A few vehicles that have been our test pilots, and so far I'm very happy with it. Very easy to put on, very easy to take off, very shiny, and very hydrophobic. Can't beat the price for that. So let's get back to work. You just watched me wash the car, and after washing it, to the average person, this looks squeaky clean. Yeah, it's wet, I gotta dry it still, but it's still not done. There's stuff that you can't see, but you can feel. It's wet right now, so you can't hear the friction, but this car has been sitting for a while, clearly, and it's got a lot of contaminants. You can feel it, it's rough to the touch. We want that nice, slick, smooth finish. And we also want the protection that we're putting on here to bond to the clear coat properly. So we're gonna foam up this car again, and we're gonna give it a quick clay job. It's not crazy, but yeah, you hear that? That shouldn't be like that. We're gonna skip the black. We don't want to scratch this. This is flat black. We don't want to mark it up in any way. Got it foamed up. Now time to clay it. Check out all the soot that was on the paint still. See that? That's all stuff that doesn't come off with a normal wash. Hopefully you guys can see that. Check that out. Quite a bit. You just saw me play this car. There was a lot of crap on the paint. Now we're gonna rinse it, dry it, and protect it. me again. Got this thing washed. We got Andy working on the inside. We got it dried. Now we're gonna add on some protection. This is gonna make it very slick, very shiny.
Good stuff.
And maybe it'll add some horsepower.
Maybe. You know,
We don't know. We don't know about that. Bloomco, we'll have to ask you if that adds horsepower or not. But
Eel, it would make it more
Aerodynamic, right?
Aerodynamic, you would.
so I got the outside protected. You just saw me use the Jade Ruby on here, the 1-year coating on the outside. Super slick, very easy to do, and gave it a nice gloss. Can't wait to pull it outside. So now we got wheels to address, tires, go through the trim, which there really isn't that much trim, just the front. So look at that gloss. Wait till you see this thing outside. Andy's working on the inside. It's kind of dark in here.
no mats.
No mats for some reason. We got to get some. Josh got to get some nice custom like black with lime green stitching, you know, on the edges. Inside's nice. We got to condition all this. This looks like someone cleaned this before and left drift marks everywhere.
Show this in the video. I knew this one got cleaned before because look at that.
Yeah. Oh, you won't be able to see that in here.
Oh, and then this is, you already showed
that
that.
we can't get rid of. That's stuck on there. We got to do the tires. Go over the wheels one more time. There's a spot I missed over here that I'm not happy about. I gotta fix that all up. Can't even. It probably looks mint on the camera, but it's dirty down there. I'm not happy with that. I gotta fix that. Who's walking in here? Oh, it's Nick, the Tint Daddy. Look at that.
Oh yeah!
Right here. Support really, really small.
I'm gonna take a quick break. I have to work on another vehicle that just got here quickly. Finish that, and then I'm gonna go back onto the Camaro. Say hi.
Hi.
Just to recap, we washed it. We did our paint decontamination package. We sealed it with our 1-year ceramic coating. Andy took care of the inside.
It's all clean.
We got under the hood done. Just pop the hood.
Yeah,
Pop
so
the hood.
I was holding my coffin there.
These stripes look a little crappy. They're old. We can't really do anything about those. Now you can see the supercharger through the hood. You want to grab that for a second?
Nice meeting you, man.
There you go. Take a look at the engine bay. All freshened up. Doesn't look like it's been sitting outside for 5 years. Now Josh can take his Camaro out and enjoy. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of this thing?
I give it a 10.
10?
A 10 because the color. You don't see this color very often.
You're just being nice because it's Josh.
And he's gonna watch this video.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, really, I'd say a 10.
The supercharger and the Whipple is all pretty cool. It's a little bright for my taste, but you don't see that every day. We gotta fix that window. I can see streaks everywhere.
Who did the windows?
You did. All right, so that's gonna be the end of this thing. End of this video.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down because we don't really care.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Peace.